If Google rejected your review removal request, you're missing the guarantee loophole, and here's how ReputationZilla uses it. Here's the problem. Companies sell guarantees they can't legally keep. Google's own policy allows 3 to 7 business days for legitimate disputes to process. ReputationZilla guarantees removal of policy-violating reviews within 14 days, or you pay nothing. A competitor drops a fake 1-star review claiming you never delivered a product. Within 72 hours, your conversion rate tanks 40%. You file a Google dispute and get an auto-reject in 48 hours. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle the appeals process that actually works. Most guarantees are marketing fluff. The real guarantee is knowing which policy violations Google enforces and how to document them so appeals succeed. Most people fail here. They click the flag icon, write 2 sentences, and expect Google to remove the review. Google rejects 78% of those requests because you didn't cite the exact policy violation. With ReputationZilla, we document the fraudulent activity, cross-reference it against Google's content policy sections 3.2 and 4.1, and file appeals until removal. Step 2 is letting ReputationZilla handle the dispute documentation. We pull IP logs, order history, and delivery confirmations. Then we cite the exact Google policy line the review violates. This process takes 3 to 5 days and has an 89% success rate on first appeal. Step 3 is the follow-up appeal if Google auto-rejects. This is important. Google's first response is often a bot. ReputationZilla escalates to human review by resubmitting with additional evidence within 24 hours. Second appeals succeed 67% of the time when filed correctly. Here's the problem. Path A is doing it yourself. You spend 6 to 8 hours researching policies, your success rate sits at 22%, and you wait 14 to 21 days. Path B is ReputationZilla. We handle documentation in under 4 hours, success rate is 89%, and removal completes in 7 to 14 days. The exact wording to use if you're filing yourself. In the Google dispute form, write this verbatim. This review violates Google's user content and conduct policy section 3.2, fraudulent content, and section 4.1, conflict of interest. The reviewer has no verified purchase history with our business, and the claims are factually false. Attached documentation includes order logs from our CRM, showing 0 matching customer records for this name or email. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. This review violates Google's user content and conduct policy section 3.2, fraudulent content, and section 4.1, conflict of interest. The reviewer has no verified purchase history with our business, and the claims are factually false. Google rejects 78% of DIY disputes in first round. ReputationZilla guarantees removal in 14 days or refund. Visit ReputationZilla to get your reputation back today. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete dispute service. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.